Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Pad 6s Pro, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's begin with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen like here, and all we have to do is to enter the settings. They should be in this upper panel. So let me tap on the settings, and we will be immediately transferred to this section with the languages. So here we've got the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English. So let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. Of course, you can scroll or you can enter this search area and type the name of the language you'd like to apply. So after finding it, just tap on it, and here we've got the keyboard types. So the amount of keyboard types depends on the specific language. Sometimes you will have only one, and sometimes even up to 7 different keyboard layouts. So all you have to do is to make sure that the keyboard you'd like to use is marked, like in my case this one, and then tap on Done. As you can see, the Urdu language has been immediately applied to this list. And before I'll show you how to remove the language completely, so you will be able to set only one language, let me get back to the keyboard to show you how to use it with 2 or more languages added. So let me go back, and right here in this version of the keyboard, we've got the hint of what to do after applying 2 or more languages. So here we have to tap on this globe icon, thanks to which we can change the keyboard layout. As you can see, it's really easy and quick. Which is more, another thing is the spacebar. It's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using. So you can always check which layout you've got applied, which is extremely useful, especially if you've got keyboard types which are really similar to each other. Alright, so in order to remove the language, we have to enter the languages again, so the settings and the languages, and here in this section we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so the pencil icon. Let's tap and mark the language you want to remove, tap on the trash bin icon, and as you can see we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.